How to fix Facebook Messenger video call or audio call. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. When you open the apps now, all what you have to do is go to the apps, and now all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll all the way until you find the Facebook Messenger. Click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Now all what you want to do next is click on the data usage here. Disable all these options and enable them back again. And now all what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.